Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Bixby from power button on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you press the power button on your Samsung phone and it pops Bixby, then let me show you how to remove this. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on side button. Then select long press and then set this to power off menu or digital assistant. If you want the side button or the power button to show the power off menu so that you can easily turn off or restart your Samsung phone, then go ahead and choose power off menu. And then if you go ahead and press the side button on your Samsung phone, then you should see the power off menu pops. And that's it. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.